Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to turn off audio from live photos on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open Photos app on your iPhone. Scroll and select your live photo. Make sure you selected your live photo. Tap Edit button on top right. Then tap Live button from bottom left. Now tap on the speaker icon on top left to mute it. Tap Done on top right. That's it. Live photo muted. So these are the steps to turn off audio from live photos on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.